Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino and Waterfront Mactan ushered in the merriest of seasons during their back-to-back tree lighting ceremonies on November 7 and November 8 respectively. Silver Splendor was the theme at Waterfront Lahug in celebration of the property's 25th anniversary.
Christmas from Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino.
Silver, representing 25 years of hospitality and commitment to excellent service, is the highlight of our decorations, creating a shimmering and inviting atmosphere throughout our hotel.
The event featured musical performances with enchanting characters such as fairies and the Ice Queen. With the dream catchers and the voice of Cebu. Waterfront Cebu lit not only one, but 3 giant Christmas trees surrounded by holiday characters such as reindeers and moving polar bears. In the season of giving, Waterfront Cebu also extended their donation to 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗪 to support kids with leukemia in their medical expenses.
Your generosity has been a blessing to the beneficiaries of our flagship program called 𝗪𝘁𝗲𝗿𝗂, which focuses on care for children with cancer.
They also committed their support to Cebu City's Pasko sa Ulog Kabataan Malipayon project by providing 200 meals to the event's participants.
But it's really more of giving back to the community. That is precisely what Waterfront is doing. So a big round of applause to Waterfront for all the wonderful things that you have been doing and that you are doing for 25 years of serving the Cebuano community and making the lives of our poor, unfortunate brothers into a better place.
Meanwhile, Waterfront Mactan's theme was dubbed as the Festival of Lights to symbolize the renewal of hope as a community with the illumination of its Bayanihan tree.
It symbolizes strength, much like an airport tower guiding aircrafts through the night. It also serves as a powerful symbol of unity, where families and friends come together to share their blessings and support each other in times of need.
Christmas carols also filled the room with a holiday cheer through performances by the Cebu Event String Quartet, the Bordario Brothers, and UP Serenata.
Once seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, feeling near.
The festivities extended beyond the brilliance of lights, as it also underscored Waterfront Mactan's commitment to the community by providing solar lamps to the residents of Cauhagan Island. Guests are also invited to become heroes of light through a minimum donation of 500 pesos to purchase solar lamps for families who lack access to electricity. Another highlight of the hotel's holiday ornaments, aside from its magnificent Bayanihan tree, is its Walkway of Hope, featuring nearly 300 paroles handcrafted by PDLs from the BJMP. During the event, Waterfront Mactan also served their famous sari-sari donuts and empanadas, as well as other unique dishes inspired by local flavors. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.